Hello to all my friends out there. So what I'm doing now is eating my stockpile down. So when I'm eating my stockpile down, I don't want to spend much money at that time. But one of the things that is really helpful is if you buy these big 2-pound bags of French fries from Dollar Tree and the sweet potatoes, then that's going to let you use up your food. Oh, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, if you just, move your oil around, then you're not using too much oil. I don't really like to save my oil. And what that really is lard. What I did was I have one package of lard in. I put it in my shortening can, and at some point in the past I bought lard, and I want to use that up before I get into my big can of shortening. Shortening is one thing that's probably a smart thing to. So I'm still doing the bowl thing. You know, when I first started the bowl thing, the rice bowls, I'm more of a potato person than a rice bowl person. But once you get used to it, it's really kind of nice because, last night I made the lima bean soup, and I got home, and at some point, I just got the rest of my lima bean soup out, and I ate that, so I only had to cook one time for 2 meals. It's going to save you money, too. So when you're buying those big cans of, or those big packages, 2-pound packages of potatoes, you can use fresh potatoes as well. But these will really stretch your food. Okay, so now what I did is at one point I stockpiled these from 99-cent only. These are like Spam. And I put it in the oven to bake it. So this is not a labor-intensive meal. And so I have some seasoned salt. That is going to taste really good on these fries. You could bake these if you don't want to fry them. So the most expensive thing is this $2 can of Spam. So if a person was to eat half of this, it would be $1. So this is a pretty substantial meal, and it's only at this point it's about, say, $1.25 because the potatoes are really cheap. So I'm going to eat half now. And this stuff is so much better if you cook it. I've always baked it because, I would work and I didn't want to fry it, It's just one more thing to do. And if you fry it, if you cook it good, it's good. So you aren't going to be depriving yourself eating this. You'll be fine. And then in my refrigerator, I had a half a can of green beans, and I just added a little water. The lima bean soup, I add water to that as well as needed. And then I usually eat ketchup on my fries, mustard on my Spam, and then in my refrigerator yesterday. This stuff, this is Dollar Tree green tea. This stuff is strong. I will dilute it a little bit so that I can sleep. Sleeping isn't my strong point. So, you know, the green tea, this 4 cups for 2 cents. I buy it at Dollar Tree. And I find it to be good. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be telling you guys my, you might be thinking what's going on in the neighbor's house and really have no idea. So, okay, you guys, here is another one of my cheat meals. And what I do is I just eat as much as I want. And then if it's left over, I zap it in the microwave tomorrow. And here's my green beans. I found the Costco bacon to be pretty good. But the bacon ends at Grocery Outlet are pretty good too. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays to everyone. God bless you all.